Hi, welcome back to Galley of the Sun. We have another unboxing. Okay, so we went ahead and we did it again and we upgraded our XL grill to the XL Grill Griddle Pro with built-in thermometer. So we'll get to this in a second. They did send us a couple little things extra with it, which is nice. They sent us the Ninja Express Chop, which is just like a little food processor with the lid that has the plunger that gets everything going. And they sent us a set of meat hooks. They do have the little thingies on them, but those always get lost, don't they? Yeah, they do. You know they do. So this is one of their newest things. What Ninja says is the most powerful grill with griddle. It's got a 500° Fahrenheit independently powered grill grate, which the other one did not, which is perfect for grilling or using the griddle or air frying, so much more. Now this goes along with like so much else that we have. It's got a smoke control system on it. You can use this one with the lid up or down. Okay, so let's go this way. Now mind you, this did come in a bigger box. We took that box off because we have understood that Ninja does the box in a box thing. We open this up. We've got our envelope of registrations and books and quick start guide, the one that has all the recipes in it. Now, aha, the very first thing out of the box is, oh, that's nice. So you got the griddle on this side and you've got the grill on this side. That's nifty. It's kind of all one unit. You probably see these from like Lodge and stuff, which it has those reversible griddle grills. But this is something you can actually use like in the house without it smoking up everything. Okay, so we're gonna take this off. My handy helper here. And let's see what we got here. Ooh, we have another grill plate. So this is the insert the grill grate. So instead of having, like with our other XL grill, we had that plate that you actually had to put inside the roaster pan. This is its own. So that's really nifty. And it's got a grease catch so that it can keep the smoke down with that. That's wonderful. Well, and it doesn't look to be really, actually it is just a little bit smaller size than the XL grill as far as this way goes. But I think we will find this to be much, much more useful for what we do. Get that tape off of there. So this part, this probably is the insert for like the roasting pan insert. Oh, it's the air fryer insert. So I think this will go right in there. And it looks like this air fryer basket is about the same size as the one we had before. So that's a good thing. You know, if you're upgrading something, you want to make sure you're not downgrading your size. Okay, so this is what it looks like without anything in it. You still have your cover up here. It looks like it comes off pretty easily, just like that, and then you can take it out. We usually run this through the dishwasher, and then I'll wipe this down. This will get kind of dirty, but you know, try to just keep it wiped down after every use. But it does, you can see that it does look like it's got some heating elements that come in on the base of this. So it looks like this is like the base, where that one has the roasting pan base. This one has grill pan with grease catch base. And it looks like it just locks in like that. Yep. And then when you want to use your griddle part of it, this just fits in right like that. Or if you're going to use your air fryer, because let me just tell you, the air fryer on these things makes the best reheated pizza you will ever have in your life. It's almost better than when you had it the first time. A lot of times it is. And then that will go in there just like that. So yeah, you do have a couple pieces here, just like you do with the regular XL grill. The thing that you do have on top of it though is you've got this wonderful heating element down here, as well as up top, and you have this. And you have the opportunity to cook with this open. So if you've got like a small kitchen, or say your stove is going out, or let's say, I don't know, you're remodeling your kitchen, you can now cook and not have to worry about it. You could do this in your living room while your kitchen's being remodeled. It's great. You got griddle, you got everything. So like you can make your pancakes and your eggs and your bacon, and then you can go and you know, reheat some biscuits in here or something. You're all set to go. That's just breakfast talking, but so that is what I have right now. Oh, it does have the thermometer. I do want to show you on the side. It says thermometer on it. And this plugs in, and it looks like right outside here. So you can just put your meat in here, do your thermometer, so that way you can get your correct temperature cooking, just like with our other XL grill. It has the thermometer on the side. And up front here, and I haven't plugged this in, it's got grill, roast, broil, bake, barbecue griddle, air crisp, and dehydrate. So it's basically got every function that our other one had. You've got your preheat and your start stop button. You've got function, temp, time, preset, doneness. So you can get a whole bunch of different things done on here, just like you could on the XL grill. It's just you've got, I think, more functionality, because now you've got a griddle. And this griddle, it looks like these are not actually a grill. They fit inside here, so that when you set this in here, they lock inside those and create a nice, totally even heat surface. So there you go. You'll probably see us using this. Maybe we'll do a video where we're just cooking breakfast on this, and you can see how it's used inside without having to heat up an oven or heat up a stove. If you like what you've seen, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave us a comment. I'm sure sooner or later Ninja will probably sponsor us. Let's hope. Because I think we might have like 10 Ninja products now. And if you're wondering what we're doing with the XL grill that we currently have, we are not keeping it. Some good friends of ours are going to inherit it. Our kids have all gotten them that want them, and so we have some friends that wanted one, so they're going to inherit ours. So thanks so much for coming and joining us today. We'll see you next time on Galley of the Sun.